Well, I consider myself at least an amateur DIYer, definitely not a pro, but I was recently stumped, at least initially, by this flush mount light. How do you change the light bulb? I kind of put my hand around and I couldn't figure out for a good 60 seconds how the heck you do it. Most of the flush mount or dome lights have these little nipples on the ends of the glass piece that you can loosen up, and that will basically allow you to slide the glass out and change the light bulb, right? Pretty straightforward. But in one of our rooms here, we don't have such a piece, and so I tried kind of wiggling it, kind of turning it, and it wouldn't budge. So the key here is to put your hands on the outside of the glass, not the bottom part of the glass, but you're going to rotate in a counterclockwise fashion about a quarter of a turn, and it should pop off or slide off. There are these little grooves that fit into these tracks, and that is basically what is keeping it attached. So that is the secret to getting it off, and we will at that point go ahead and change the light bulb. In this case, I've got LED light bulbs that I rarely have to change. I love these things, but occasionally one will flicker and go bad. You can see it kind of flickering there, and I'm not really sure why that is. Certainly you can try to readjust it, tighten it back up, and see if that solves the problem, but to me that's an indicator of just a light bulb going bad. It doesn't happen very often, but we're just going to change that out. So we'll get that taken care of, the new one plugged or screwed in the socket. And to replace the glass piece, you will reverse the process. Turn about a quarter of a turn in a clockwise direction, and make sure that is in place, and that is all there is to it.